This is a Hangback technique. As you can see, there is a large iridodialysis. I am using iris hooks to retract the tissue so as to get a wider view. Rhexis was performed using a cystitome. This was followed by use of capsular tension ring so as to stabilize the bag, as there was a mild zonal dialysis. Phacoaspiration was performed to remove the cataract, followed by irrigation and aspiration, and then implantation of intraocular lens in the bag. Peritomy is performed and scleral tunnel made 2 mm from the limbus parallel to the damaged iris tissue portion. 9-proline suture is passed through the peripheral iris tissue and the needle is externalized. Similarly, the other end of the double-armed needle is passed through the peripheral iris and also externalized. Both the needles are then pulled. 9-0 suture is again passed through the peripheral iris and externalized. Both double-armed sutures are pulled and tied, and the knots are buried in the scleral tunnel. The damaged iris tissue is thus repaired. This is day 1 post-op and this is day 7 post-op.